soup season, and on today's episode we're going to make slow cooker lentil soup, guys. This recipe is super easy to make. All you have to do, take your ingredients, throw them in the crock pot for a few hours, and enjoy. My name is Sylvia. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, take your smoked ham shank and place it in your crock pot. Add your chopped onion. Chopped bell pepper. Some chopped carrots. Add your sweet potato. And if you do not want to use sweet potato for this recipe, it's totally fine. You can use some russet potatoes or Yukon Gold in this recipe. And before adding your lentil to the crock pot, make sure you go through it. Make sure there's no rocks in there and give it a few rinses and make sure it's nice and clean. Now that your lentil is nice and clean, go ahead and scatter that on top. After adding in all your delicious ingredients, go in with your vegetable broth. This is how it's looking after adding in the broth. Now cook on high for 4 hours or low for about 6 hours. After 4 hours, this is how it's looking. So far, so good. As you can see, this meat is still tough. Now it's time to season our soup with some minced garlic. One Maggie cube. I like to go in and just break up that Maggie. And if you don't have the Maggie cube, you can use the chicken bouillon powder. Some black pepper. And some seasoned salt. I'm going to allow this to cook for another 3 hours in here. As you can see, my veggies are not quite tender yet, and my ham hocks is not quite ready yet. So I'm going to keep this on high for another 3 hours. After 5.5 hours, this is how our soup is looking. It is looking so delicious. And we're going to check the meat just to make sure it is nice and tender. And as you can see, look at that. It is ready to be shredded. I just like to go in just like so. And then just shred it right in here. After shredding the ham hocks, this is how it's looking. Now I'm just going to allow this to finish cooking for another 30 minutes. After 6 hours, my lentil soup is finally ready, and I cannot wait to enjoy this. I did fry up some tortilla strips to go with it. So delicious. You can taste the smokiness from the ham hocks. The sweet potato also give it a hint of sweetness to it. All the flavors are well balanced. You cannot go wrong with this recipe, guys. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.